The Photoshop concept is very similar to the final width of the box, except I have to trim the box down to 40 inches tall. I have a high confidence that this design will work, and I'm going to share the build details in the future videos. It took me about 1 hour and 15 minutes to transfer the boat plan onto the Coroplast, and there are a few tips which you may want to consider before doing that. Please watch this video here. With this design, there are many vertical fold lines, and I'm not sure how this will affect the structural strength of the boat. I used the cement gap on the floor of my garage. Just make sure that the edges are not too sharp. I like the width of the gap and also the depth, and I can make a very good fold line out of it. If you don't use the cement gap, be sure to put the cardboard underneath the Coroplast before making the fold lines. Please refer to the video here on how I make this roller. And you can also recycle the wheels from your carry-on luggage to make this roller. I usually place 2 pieces of wood on the sides of the fold line before I apply the heat, so that the heat will not be spreading out. The spacing of these 2 wood pieces is between 3/4 of an inch to an inch. Please pay attention not to overheat the Coroplast. For the thinner Coroplast, say 4mm, you really don't need much heat. Then you run the roller back and forth on top of the line to create a fold line. With this design, I have to make a total of 12 vertical fold lines. This took me 1 hour and 15 minutes. This is the very first time I fold it up into a box shape. My measurements are good, and I don't see any issue in doing that. There should be sufficient space inside the box for the accessories. The overall thickness of the box is slightly more than 4.5 inches, but when working with Coroplast, the tolerance is about 1/4 of an inch, therefore it is okay. And for the width, it is a 14.25 inch, which is dead on. Yes, I still have to trim it down to 40 inches, but for now I really like the form factor. It is so small, so compact. So far, I have spent less than 3 hours in building this boat, and it has been a very smooth process. In my next video, I will show you step 3 and 4. By the end of step 4, you will see the shape of the boat.
Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel. I have many other videos on my channel. Hope you find them interesting too. Thanks and see you again. Bye bye.